Here's how to assemble your new Organic Garden Co. 150-150L. In your package you'll have two long sheets, GBS 40145, two medium length sheets, GBS 40093, two short sheets, GBS 40050, 6 posts, GBP 9040, 6 caps, GB cap 90. Now this is super easy. Stand up the two long sheets, creating a V shape. Line up the grooves in the posts with the lugs of the sheet and slide it on. The snap-tight lugs will hold the sheet snugly in the post. Repeat the process in this manner until your garden bed walls are constructed. Now time to clip your post caps on. They'll easily snap onto the top end of your posts. That's it. Good luck in the garden, green thumbs.